Local government minister and Murewa North Member of Parliament Daniel Garwe is facing mounting pressure amid growing claims that his political footing in the constituency is weakening, with signs of deepening divisions and dissatisfaction among residents. Salabana Mashkubdanyo Kwachinzi, Munangagwa loyalist Daniel Garwe faces growing revolt in Murewa that was subscribed or like out on the bell icon. Tibna Unamudanyo Kwachinzi. Sources within the area say what Garwe's allies are dismissing as a coordinated plot to remove him, increasingly being interpreted as a backlash against his leadership style and political posture. Critics argue that the surge in political activity and the flow of money in the constituents reflect frustration with an MP accused of placing party loyalty above the everyday concerns of ordinary people. At the center of the controversy is a prominent apostolic leader whose family member is actively campaigning in the constituency, while Garwe's supporters have been quick to brand the developments as a vote buying. Some community members say the situation points to waning confidence in the sitting MP rather than simple political opportunism. Senior party figures speaking privately admit that Garwe's rigid stance and strong alignment with powerful political centers have alienated sections of both electorate and the ruling party. People are tired of leaders who hide behind slogans of loyalty while communities remain underdeveloped, said one disgruntled party insider. Residents of Murewa North say they are increasingly frustrated by repeated calls for gratitude and loyalty when basic services remain unreliable. They keep telling us he is loyal to the president, but loyalty does not fix our roads or put food on the table, said one villager who requested anonymity. Others accuse Garwe of arrogance and detachment from grassroots realities. He appears when it suits him and disappears when he raises serious issues, said another resident. Leadership is not about power or oppositions, it is about accountability. Within party structures, murmurs are growing that Garwe's rising influence is driven more by internal patronage than measurable service delivery. He has influence, yes, but influence without humility creates enemies, said a local port officials. What we are seeing now is the cost of ignoring the people's voice. Domashkwano yachiudzwa Garwe aiwa kwaMurewa panguva ine vanhu vachiti Daniel Garwe haasashandi panguva ino Garwe pasi kupinde vamwe. Pinda kumasection medu zofungura enyi muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.